Hello and welcome back. Today I want us to discuss when school is going to resume. Since the COVID-19, we've not been able to have schools. Some students are wondering when is their WAEC exams, are the exams, when are the exams starting, the NECO exams. The IJMB people are wondering when is the IJMB, when is when is the JUPEB, and it's very important that I tell you that most likely school is going to be resuming June, July. That's next month or upper month, as against November that some people are predicting. And this is because of recent developments in uh, the ability to provide enough isolation centers for those that are contracting the COVID-19 disease, and also some drugs that can manage, not actually cure for COVID-19, but drugs like the remdesivir from America and the herbal medicine from Madagascar. So with all those improvements, there is this likelihood that schools will be resuming by June, July. So if you're a student and you're not practicing or you're not learning, make sure that you're learning. And the best place to learn is at jamwaecnecouni.com. This is our website. You can get to our website. Once you type www.jamwaecnecouni.com, then you will come to this website. You see all these subjects for the online schools. You can click on any of them and you start receiving free lectures. So this is our website. Very important. This is our online school. You can get any lecture. This is economics, this is English, this is geography, this is government. So any class you want, you can simply click on it. Once you click on any of those lectures, you start taking the lectures. We already plan the lectures with your JAMB, with your WAEC, with your NECO curriculum. So it's exactly what you're supposed to be learning. And it is very, very effective for your learning. So I will urge every student to go take it out and continue to learn, so that once school resumes, they will be able to be prepared. So you can see I clicked on mathematics. You can see you have a teacher in the class teaching, so it's as if you're still in class, and you see the subjects, the courses, the topics as they are in your maths syllable: base number, fractions, indices, statistics, sort, and the rest of them. So this is perfect. And please we are begging you, because of the COVID-19 lockdown, having funds or having money to help us to make these videos has been very difficult for us. So we're meaning Nigerians to donate, or anybody from around the world. If you love education and you want to support us, please donate to us. Our account number is Tclassified.com. Our account name is Tclassified.com. Our account number is 101-4487-209, and the bank is Zenith Bank. So to confirm, you can always call me when you donate, so that we can acknowledge you. Please, my phone number is 07067162698. If you're calling from outside Nigeria, it is +234-7067162698. Please, we will need your support, because your support is going to help us to continue to make more videos for this learning. During the lockdown, we found it very difficult to get fuel and make more busy. I was supporting all this from my business, but it's actually difficult now. So please, and please, women in Nigerians, I would like you to donate to us. I'll be very glad that you did. So please, for students, always check out our website. You can see all the subjects, courses that you need. Even the people that are in the university, we're also making courses for them. We're also making courses for JUPEB and IJMB, which you can easily see when you get to our YouTube. So the name of our YouTube is Tclassified.com. That's our channel. So in our channel, it's also easier for you to get across all our lectures, both JUPEB, IJMB, and all of them. And we need your support for us to keep making these videos. So please, always head to this our website, click on donate. Once you click on donate, you will see the account number where you can help us from. Please like this video, share it so that your friends can see them. Click the subscribe button by the right hand side, so that anytime you release this video, you'll be the first to see them. We'll be revising past questions and getting ready for post UME very soon. So tune in and you'll be blessed. Thank you. Please drop your comments if you have any questions to ask us, and God bless you.